Welcome to Student Learning Services. What do we do? The department is responsible with providing students with academic support. Our free services include peer tutoring, learning skills workshops, math and writing center, note-taking services, peer-assisted study sessions, and digital learning. Peer tutoring. Did you know that all students have access to 3 hours of tutoring per week? All peer tutors have achieved 80% or higher in the courses that they are supporting. Learning skills workshops. Workshops are 50 minutes in length and allow you to gain life skills that will also help you in class. A few of the topics include tips for multiple choice tests, what's your learning preference, and many more. Attend 5 workshops and add this experience to your co-curricular record. Math and Writing Center. The Math Center provides free online and in-person math tutoring for all Humber and University of Guelph-Humber students in any math-related courses. The Writing Center provides free online and in-person writing tutoring for all Humber and University of Guelph-Humber students in topics such as business writing, essay structure, research skills, and grammar. Note-taking services. For students registered with Accessible Learning Services, connect with an Accessible Learning Officer to learn more. Peer-assisted study sessions, PASS, focuses on improving an understanding of course content through collaborative learning with peers. Students have the opportunity to apply course-specific learning strategies during weekly group study sessions, facilitated by a PASS leader. Digital Learning Coach. Don't know how to learn from PowerPoints and videos? You're not alone. Online learning can be hard. Digital learning coaches are here to help you enhance your learning and technological skills. For more information, visit humber.ca/learning resources. To contact the Peer Assisted Learning Support, email peer.tutoring@humber.ca. For the Writing Center, email writingcenter@humber.ca. For the Math Center, email mathcenter@humber.ca. Or alternatively, you can visit our online front desk to speak with someone directly using the link below.